Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to recall a Hotmail email in just 5 minutes. Sometimes we send an email and realize we made a mistake or forgot something important. Luckily, there's a way to fix it quickly. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page via Microsoft 365. Click the sign in button and enter your Hotmail email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Outlook homepage. Next, look at the top right corner for the settings icon. Click it to open your Outlook settings menu. This is where we'll enable the feature that lets you recall emails. In the settings menu, select mail. This section lets you manage how emails behave and appear in your account. Once inside, find the compose and reply settings. Within compose and reply, look for the undo send option. Clicking this enables the email recall feature, giving you a short window after sending an email to stop it from leaving your outbox. Adjust the time limit for undo send according to your preference. This gives you enough cushion to catch any last minute mistakes and recall the email if needed. And that's it. You've now successfully set up the recall option for your Hotmail emails in Outlook. Remember, double checking your emails before sending is always important, but this feature gives you peace of mind for those accidental sends. Thanks for watching and see you next time for more helpful tips.